To clear the cache in Google Chrome, open Google Chrome. In the top right, you can see 3 dots. Click on them. Move your mouse down and click on Settings. Move your mouse to your left and click on Privacy and Security. Go to the center and click on Delete Browsing Data. Now we have some different options. Pay attention to the time range. If you click here, you can select the time range of the cache that you are deleting. If you want to improve the performance of the browser, I suggest to select All Time. You can see here in Cached Images and Files the amount of the cache you will be deleting. It is also not necessary to select Browsing History. If you just want to fix a specific website, you can choose in Time Range and select Last 24 hours. This is enough to fix problems with most websites. After you are done with your selection, click on Delete Data. And depending on the size of the cache, this will take a minute or two. To complete the process, make sure to exit the browser. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other tutorial you need? Tell me in the comments.